there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. Oh my goodness, congratulations. You made it to the end of week one, and I am so proud of you. I know, I trust that you have done all of these things, all of the activities from the previous week, and I know that they are really going to serve you a lot in 2025. And I'm so proud of you for sticking through the end of week one. So, of course, in day seven, we're going to be taking a break. Okay, we are going to be looking at everything that we have done. So, you want to go over, okay, starting from day one to day six, did I miss out anything, or anything that I put, am I sure that this is where I want to go to? So this is just a time for you to look at everything, make sure that you are intentional. If maybe you skipped a day or you skipped something, today is the day to get back on track. Okay, so yeah, that is just after that, not too much in this video. So just go over all your notes, go over your Notion template, make sure that everything is there. And of course, in our Telegram group, if you have anything that maybe you're not clear about, and maybe that is what hindered you from doing a particular day, you can message me on Telegram and I will surely reply you. So yeah, guys, that is that. I'm so proud of you, and I will see you next week for our plan week. Bye.